Change the fore color of the buttons to white. Change the back color of the buttons to 15, 15, 15. Boom. Now the fast color text box. Change the back color to 15, 15, 15. Change the text to print hello world, and then boom boom. Now change the now scroll until now change the fore color to white. Go down. Change the indent back color to 15, 15, 15. Change the line number color to uh white. Boom. There you go. Now it's customized. Now double tap the execute button. Go up. Type here using Tauri API. Now type here Tauri API dot Tauri API Tauri func dot execute script pass color text box 1 dot text. Now double tap clear, but if I'm too fast you can just pause the video. Fast color text box 1 dot clear. Boom. Now for the inject, let's do say it again. Tauri Tauri API dot Tauri func dot attach. Boom, and then boom. Now go back here, click debug properties, click build, change the NX CPU to x64. Now exit. Now click build, and then build. The name of your executor should be once succeeded, because if you did it correctly. Now open up your repos folder and executor open up the executor folder. Now click the executor. Now click bin debug, and then double tap the exp file. Now open up Roblox player. So because we're gonna test, make sure to use your make sure to use uh make sure to use a private server, or now let's get a UNC check in Vida Tua, and click our scripts, and then copy script. Boom. Make sure you go into your own game or a private server of a game, because if you don't have those, if you just exploit on a public server, you might get banned, because Roblox is shit. They upgrading the freaking Hyperion. Now click inject, and if it disappears, it's injected. Now it's back. Now you can press F9, or you can just type in chat slash console. Boom. Now you see this is the print hello world, and then execute. You see it's working pretty good. Now paste in the UNC check in with the Lua script, and then boom. And as you can see, 96 UNC. Now if you double tap in, you can see it's Tauri.dll, not Xeno. That's why it's hard to make. Now you see it's working like goddamn shit. It's working. So that's gonna be the end of the video. See you guys later. Bye bye.